everybody, my name is Elia, and today I will be showing you how to make white fluffy slime. So first you have to clear up a space for you to make your slime in. I already got that, and you need a space to make it on. Then you need something to put your slime in. Then you need something to mix your slime. And of course the ingredients. I'm going to start by putting my white glue in. But if you use anything that it's not school glue, like if you use black glue, then it will not be in slime. So let's start by pouring the glue into the container. And you're going to pour as much glue as the slime you want to be. So I want my slime to be this big. So I'm going to pour that much glue. Now you're going to add your shaving cream into it. You have to shake it first. And you have to kind of squirt it at an angle, or else it'll be like that. This is kind of running out, so that's why it's watery still. Now you have to mix it. Now this is optional, but I'm going to add beads into my slime. Now this is also optional. You could add color into your slime or just leave it the color that the glue is. I'm going to leave mine plain. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of soap in it to make it stretchy. And now if you want, you could add more shaving cream just to make it more fluffy. But I'm not going to add more shaving cream. Now, again, this is optional, but I'm going to add a different color of beads. Because those were clear, so you can't really see those. I'm going to add a little bit more soap. And mix it until it looks like just very gluey. It should just look like this. And once you think you mixed it enough, you have to add your activator. Just pour a little bit at a time. Now you can see it's starting to form. Now you could see when you lift the slime up, it's very still gluey down there. So you're going to lift the slime up and pour activator all at the bottom. Now you don't want to add too much activator because then it will be overactivated, and we do not want that. We'll give this 5 minutes to form into the actual slime, and we'll be right back. Now the slime is fluffy slime. And that's how you make fluffy slime. Alright, that's it. Bye everybody. Bye.